my channel. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. So if you have been following for a little while, you already know what my channel is all about. It's about shopping hauls, few DIYs, anything that I did and I wanted to share. Very recently I've uploaded a video of a trip to Anandgiri Hills, that is also called a Ooty of Telangana or Andhra Pradesh, you can say. So that's a little vlog that I have made of the entire journey. That was a road journey, so I hope you have loved it. Apart from that, I have made review videos and everything. So if you are new to my channel, do not forget to check out the other videos whose link will be in the description box. So as you all know from the description of the video is going to be about a simple day-to-day look that I wanted to create for before filming the video, or if you want to go out also. Very basic and minimal makeup, that is something which you can see right now is entire video all about how I kind of created it. It's a simple, very basic thing. I'm not a pro in makeup and everything. What I know is something that I shared, and I hope you guys have loved it. So in the further videos you will get to know how I created this look. That is not at all a smoky eye also, but since I'm wearing this top, so I kind of made this eye look, which is very simple, but also it can be a party wear party look. I'm sorry, not party wear, party look, because this top can be easily worn because leopard prints are nowadays in trend, and I was always a huge fan of it. So this is a look which you can create in the party or if you go out for some any occasion. So this is a simple look, not very loud, because as you all know, if you have been following me, that I do not like loud makeup, but a little simple, little subtle makeup, that is something I tried creating, and the entire video will be like that, of how I kind intend to make the entire look. So do keep watching till the end of the video, and do take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Do follow me on Instagram as Rituparna Datta Dev, and in the Facebook as Riya Sweetie Datta for more updates of any upcoming video or anything that I try to get updated with my live updates. You can definitely follow me on Instagram and in Facebook. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. Completely dab it and try that it absorbs the max in your skin, and also this will be acting as a primer because that will kind of create a barrier. And make sure that the oil is completely penetrating into the skin, so you can barely see that there is any left over. The next thing will be your BB or a foundation. Now usually I do not use foundation on a daily basis because it's my personal thing that it might harm your skin. Otherwise, if I use foundation, because today it's a quarantine time, so I'm not going out, I'm making I'm doing this because I want to shoot few more videos, so there will be back-to-back videos, so stay tuned to my channel. So I will not be using the foundation. Usually the foundation that I use is Maybelline Fit Me. Otherwise I use BB cream, which is CC cream, which is Lakme 9 to 5, the CC cream. BB cream you can also go for, that is for Garnier. That is something which I use. So I will be today using this 9 to 5 CC cream. Try to use as less as foundation you can. If it is really a good function, or probably you're going to the office every day, then the foundation is like fine. Otherwise I do not do it. Now there you can use beauty blender also, but I prefer using my own fingertips. That helps to blend it easily. I would need a little more for the neck part. Okay, let me show it with beauty blender as well. Just moist the beauty blender and then start So that's pretty much of this. And then the next thing you can use is the powder or the compact, anything that you can use. Now since I have used today the facial oil, my skin is little already having a moisture, so I will be using the loose powder, but again after this you can use compact. So I will be using this powder clay banana compact from Sugar Cosmetics. This is one of the, I don't know, I really like this. But if you really don't want to spend on this compact powder, you can definitely go for any compact powder like Maybelline. I usually go for Color Sense. Anything that suits your skin. There is no hard and fast rule that you have to go for this and not that, or not that, nothing as such. It all depends on your choice and your skin type as well. Now mine is combination, so probably depend on what I use as a base, like primer or facial oil. It also depends on that. So that's how it looks like this. We have a sponge over here. Do not forget your neck region and the ear. That is something I always keep on saying. Okay, that's pretty much. So the compact part or the loose powder, that part is done. Now there is a uniformity in this and this color, which is very important. The next thing I would go for is the brow. I will do the brows, and for that also you can use anything. I usually go for the light brown, which is this Miniso. If you have been following me, you already know. This is the eyebrow pencil I go for to fill in my brows, and this is to brush my brows. Let me give you closer. So this is what I use, and Miss Claire, this is from Miss Claire. So first thing, I'll fill in the brows with this Minisos. I think this is easily available in Amazon as well if you are, if you are running out of it and you don't want to go to malls. However, I will suggest don't go to malls right now. So definitely order in Amazon. Just fill in the brows. Now I have been not doing my brows for like 7-8 months. Yes, till the lockdown, even before the lockdown, since March I did not do. So just fill in the brows, and then with the help of the brush or the spoolie you can easily comb it. Yeah, done. And the next thing would definitely be your eyeshadow, if anything, which you will be doing. Today I will be just doing the black, something with the black. So I will be taking Queen Collection eyeshadow quad. This is also from Miniso. I got it long back, but I could not use it. So that's how it looks. And let's quickly do it. So these are the colors, by the way. So for the base, I will be taking this color. So this is like almost and then I will be topping up with this color. Similarly goes with this eyes. So I have done both the eyes, the lids, and then with this powder, which is kind of a highlighter, I will be covering up the crease, which is this area, if there is any fallouts. So yes, that's how I do it, very minimal. The next part is your eyeliner. Now for eyeliner, you can use anything that is of your choice. Let me give you a close pic of the eyes that I have actually done. So this is the highlighter, this is the base, and this is a little bit of smoky. Now depend, if you wanted to make it more darker, then you can build up the color as well. So it all depends on you. The next thing would definitely be blending it if there is any other fallouts or anything like that. In the inner corners also you can take this color, anything of this sort, shade, depend on whatever is available. As simple as that. So I'm not a pro at makeup, but again, what I do a very minimalistic of it, and this is how my minimalistic is. And don't worry about a little darker things that you can easily be fixing up with the setting spray. Now the eye kajal or eyeliner, I'll do it later part. The next thing I usually do is the highlighter, which I will be taking this is something I've been using for a very long time, which is Miaho. And then take any fan brush. So I'm taking this fan brush from TFF, which I purchased from Madhumita. If you don't know her, I have made a separate video of the products that I get from her. And first thing is move back all the hairs. Yeah, that's pretty much. And then it's very essential that I do my eye, the eyeliner, and then the lip color. That's pretty much I do for every day. But again, for the highlighter, or if also for some loose powder, you can, just in case you feel that you need more of it, you can touch up at the end with the loose powder over here. And that's pretty much. The kajal which I'm using is Colossal Kajal, and let's put that. So that's pretty much, since it's a little smoky eyes, so it is somewhere looking like this because it goes with the top, so that's why I did this thing. And so yeah, that's pretty much. And the last step would definitely be your lip color and the setting spray. So for the lip color, I'm using the TFF. I am in the shade 10. So this is what the lip color which I am using, TFF. Yeah, that's the color. I love this color. It's kind of brown shade of it, yes. And then the last thing I'll do is earrings, but since I'm not going anywhere out, so I will not be doing wearing any of the earrings. I will just put it what I'm wearing and then comb the hair, which I already did before filming the video. And the last step is the makeup fixer. Now this is Blue Heaven makeup fixer mist formula. I have already made a separate video on how it is, how affordable it is, and the entire review of this, so you can definitely go ahead and check out. I will definitely give it in the link in some I button over here. And the inner packaging looks like this. Such a sweet, very affordable and very simple. Like the people who are not always doing the makeup, they can definitely go ahead and use it. At a distance you have to spray and then let it settle. So that's pretty much. I hope you have loved the everyday, day-to-day. This need to be set up completely, and then you will understand the difference. The last step, so this is what exactly my look after applying the setting spray and everything. So I think the makeup have been completely set, and that's how it kind of looks. So let me give you a close pic of it. So I usually, for every time if I go out or little I want to get ready, then these are my basic steps that I do. I think it completes within 15 minutes, or yeah, 10 to 15 minutes. But again, I'm filming this video, that's why it's taking a little time to explain you. The last step which I missed is the mascara. Now I don't have a wide range of mascara. I just have two mascaras, out of which one is this Dazzler mascara, and the other one is, I think, Neon's mascara. So usually I go for this one. So a very basic, I am planning to buy a mascara of that L'Oreal Lash Paradise. I am not sure. I will try and check out the reviews, and then I will probably be trying to purchase that. So this is the complete look that I created, and again at the end, if you want to fill up your brows, that you can definitely do. So this is completely a look after mascara as well. So that's how I kind of get ready. If I film any videos, so I will be very back to back this video. I will be filming a video of Amazon, the things that I purchased from Amazon. So there are very essential things that I purchased that will be a very interesting video of Amazon haul. I'm doing after a very long time, because due to this lockdown I have actually put a control on the online shopping, but again there are few essentials that I wanted and I kind of brought it. So stay tuned to my channel for that video as well. So that's pretty much for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you really liked it, do take a moment to subscribe to my channel, hit like button, comment if there is any suggestions or anything that you want me to do, then definitely it will be glad for me to know that. So do comment me in the description box, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.